Governor Eric Holcomb issued executive orders for the state of Indiana throughout the coronavirus crisis and attempts to flatten the curve. But the governor's office believes we're not done yet. Last week, the governor extended the stay-at-home order through May 1st. Joining us now to talk more about Indiana's response is Evansville native Lieutenant Governor Suzanne Crouch. Lieutenant Governor, thank you so much for joining us here today. You've been promoting the hashtag #InThisTogether campaign, talking about social distancing and what we can do to flatten that curve. We've been doing this for about a month now. What gains have we made?
Well, actually, we are seeing the curve flatten. Governor Holcomb last week unveiled this In This Together campaign, which, as you said, encourages social distancing and staying at home. You can actually go to inthistogethercampaign.com and get helpful tips on how to promote social, distancing and how to stay at home. It's a great way to encourage Hoosiers to take care of themselves and each other. But we have seen the curve start to flatten. And when this COVID-19 virus hit, it was like turning a switch off. What we are experiencing now is starting to turn the dial back on. And today the governor announced that there would be non-emergent procedures allowed in the hospitals, such as colonoscopies, etc. That's the beginning of turning the dial back on. And we should be able to continue to see that progress as we move forward. One of the reasons that it has been so important is to allow our hospitals to build up inventory and beds so that when we turn that switch on, if we see a surge, we have the resources to address it. So we believe in a good place to start turning that dial. And we just ask that Hoosiers continue to take care of themselves and to take care of each other by social distancing and staying at home. If you get out, and it's easy to do in this beautiful weather, take a walk.
Right.
I know that we have 65 parks here in Indiana, and in Evansville alone.
Yeah.
And so take a walk in the park, take your best friend with you,
and there you go.
Try to take care of yourself as we continue to move forward.
And your furry four-legged friends too, for sure. You talk about turning that dial. A lot of Hoosiers are getting a little bit restless with the executive orders, the stay-at-homes, those kinds of things. There have actually even been protests in Indianapolis with people calling to open up the economy. Is it time for that? And what message do you have for the folks who are protesting?
Well, actually, as I mentioned, we're turning that dial. And the governor today had his first kind of turning of the dial order by allowing non-emergent procedures in hospitals. I would just encourage people to continue to stay patient, continue to take care of yourself, take care of each other. In this time where we're trying to take care of ourselves physically, it's also important we take care of ourselves emotionally and mentally. And so, social distance, but continue to use social media, have FaceTime. If you have an elderly neighbor or a neighbor who can't get out, go do some groceries and pick up groceries for them, drop them off on their porch, but continue to stay patient. We will get through this together. Absolutely. Because we're all in it together, and we will come out as a stronger Hoosier population, because that's what we do and that's who we are. We're Hoosiers.
And we are starting to run a little bit out of time, but I definitely want to get it to let you talk about a little bit about some of the help that's there for communities and for businesses as well as employees. Talk really quickly, if you would please, about what's there for people in need right now.
Well, our Indiana Housing Agency that I oversee has now have access to $30 million to provide down payment mortgage assistance to those needy homeowners. So right now, you can call 877-GET-HOPE, or you can go to 877gethope.org and find out what resources you have to start talking to your lender, but also how you can access those down payment assistance if you, in fact, qualify. That is one small thing that we're trying to do to keep homeowners in their homes.
Absolutely.
And to keep them continuing to be able to live the productive lives that they have.
Great. And I also want to add one more thing in here, something that's often overlooked because of so much coronavirus topics going on right now is the census. It's vitally important for our state for folks to fill out that census. What message do you want to get out to folks right now?
Fill it out. If you've misplaced it, you can go to 2020census.org and get a new form. It's important that every Hoosier is counted. Billions of dollars of federal money is based upon our population, and we want to be sure that in Indiana we get our fair share. But also our representation in the House of Representatives, the U.S. House of Representatives, depends upon our population. And we do not want our Hoosier voices to be diluted in Washington, D.C. So please take the time to fill out that form if you haven't already and get it in. And as I said, if you need a new form because you've misplaced yours, go to 2020census.org and we will get you one right away. Because we want every Hoosier to be counted.
Absolutely. Lieutenant Governor Suzanne Crouch, thank you so much for joining us today. And some of the help that you were talking about, we have that information on our website, tristatehomepage.com, so folks can go there and get that phone number that you talked about and also the website. So again, thank you so much for joining us to talk about this. We appreciate it.